No one escapes pain, fear, and suffering. Yet from pain can come wisdom. From fear can come courage. From suffering can come strength, if we have the virtue of resilience. Greetings, esteemed viewers. Today we embark on a deep exploration into the profound teachings of Stoic philosophy, uncovering its transformative power in cultivating resilience in a world rife with challenges and uncertainties. The Stoic approach provides a timeless guide to not just endure adversity but to thrive in its midst. Join me on this enriching journey as we unravel the layers of Stoicism, understanding how its core principles can reshape your mental landscape, fortifying your mind with enduring strength and resilience. 1. The power of perception. At the heart of Stoicism lies a powerful realization. It is not events themselves that disturb us, but our interpretations of them. Epictetus, a Stoic philosopher, teaches us that by mastering our perceptions, we can foster resilience. In the face of challenges, Stoicism encourages us to question our automatic reactions and choose interpretations that empower us rather than dishearten us. This mental reprogramming positions us as architects of our perceptions, a crucial first step in building lasting resilience. 2. Embracing impermanence. Seneca, a prominent Stoic thinker, emphasized the importance of understanding the transient nature of life. Stoicism invites us to embrace impermanence, acknowledging that everything we possess, from joys to hardships, is subject to change. By doing so, we free ourselves from the grip of fear and anxiety, fostering a mindset of detachment. This mental shift allows us to navigate challenges with grace and composure, understanding that nothing lasts forever. In this acceptance of impermanence, we find the space to cultivate resilience and adaptability. 3. Turning obstacles into opportunities. The Stoic emperor, Marcus Aurelius, imparts a powerful lesson. Obstacles are not roadblocks but stepping stones to greatness. Stoicism encourages us to view challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. By reframing adversity as a chance to test our virtues and strengthen our character, we develop a mindset that not only withstands difficulties, but thrives on them. It's a transformative perspective that turns setbacks into stepping stones toward personal development and enduring resilience. 4. The practice of negative visualization. Stoicism introduces a unique technique known as negative visualization. This practice involves contemplating potential losses to gain a deeper appreciation for what we currently possess. By regularly reflecting on the impermanence of our possessions, relationships, and even life itself, we become more resilient. This intentional practice helps us prepare emotionally for setbacks, making us better equipped to face challenges when they inevitably arise. 5. Cultivating virtues for inner strength. Integral to Stoicism is the cultivation of virtues: wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. By aligning our actions with these virtues, we build inner strength and resilience. The Stoics believed that true happiness arises from living a virtuous life, independent of external circumstances. This timeless wisdom challenges us to focus on our character rather than the fleeting nature of external success or failure, providing a solid foundation for enduring resilience. As we conclude our expedition through the treasures of Stoic philosophy, we find ourselves equipped with a comprehensive toolkit to rewire our brains for resilience. From mastering perceptions and embracing impermanence to turning obstacles into opportunities, practicing negative visualization, and cultivating virtues, Stoicism offers profound insights applicable to our daily lives. So, dear viewers, Let's integrate these Stoic principles into our existence, understanding that resilience is not merely about enduring, it's about flourishing in the face of adversity. Here's to embracing the Stoic philosophy and mastering resilience in our ever-evolving journey.